Good morning everyone. Today, I'm going to discuss about the impact of COVID-19 in our society. First, let's have a brief recap about COVID-19. COVID-19 case was identified on Wuhan, China on December 2019. It is the kind of disease that caused by a severe acute respiratory syndrome or also known as SARS-2. Some others say that this virus came from a bat-borne virus, but there's no one can tell where exactly the virus came from. Because of this virus, it gives us a big impact in our economic, health, and social aspect. When the pandemic is boom in the world, there is a significant reduction in income, a rise in unemployment, and disruption in transportation, services, and manufacturing industries. The economic impact has already occurred across the global due to reduced productivity, loss of life, business closure, and decimation of the tourism industry. The service industries such as tourism, hospital, and transportation have also suffered significant losses due to reduction in travel. There is also a shortage of medical materials and other goods can quickly become a major global issue due to COVID-19 pandemic. Because of this pandemic, many areas seeing panic buying and consequent shortage of food and other essential grocery items. Also in the global stock market crash on March 2020 with falls of several percent in the world's major indices, there are also estimated over 400 million full-time jobs were lost across the world. In the food crisis in countries, up to 80% of the population relies on agriculture for their livelihoods. Lots of suspended production at some factories. And all establishments around the world reducing hours or closing down temporarily. Now let's go to health aspect. COVID-19 is a pandemic pointed over 3 million cases and 207,973 deaths as of March 11, 2020. Because of this pandemic, a lot of people suffer of depression, and because of this, a lot of people commit suicide and some of them have mentally problem. But on the other side, many people learn how to take care of themselves and to their family to avoid infecting this kind of virus, to become more responsible and a good follower. Now, we're started to learn a new normal life. We should follow the protocol to avoid infected or spreading the virus, like wearing masks and face shield when going outside and following social distancing. These two are the most important protocol to avoid infected this kind of virus. Not all the impact of COVID-19 are negative. There are also some positive aspects like in the environment, less polluted, less garbage especially in the public places, and less crime. Parents have much more time to their children, especially those parents who are workaholic. And the most advantage of COVID-19 is that the communication of the family is more stronger. That's all for my discussion. Thank you for watching.